If you've ever cooked or baked something, you'll have seen that some foods develop a golden brown crust as they heat up. I'm Tiffany, and in this sweet experiment, we'll learn about how the Maillard reaction that takes place during cooking contributes to the browning of food and elevated flavors. For this experiment, you will need some small cups, large marshmallows, a measuring spoon, baking soda and or milk, Q-tips or a paintbrush, water, lemon juice and or vinegar, and a baking tray lined with a baking sheet. You'll also need oven mitts and a regular oven or toaster oven. When operating the oven, please use adult supervision or help if necessary. To start, stir 1 spoon of baking soda into 5 spoons of water. Pour out a small amount of your other liquid ingredients into separate cups. Here I have 3 conditions: vinegar, water, and baking soda. Grab 2 or more marshmallows for each condition and arrange them so that you know which condition each marshmallow will be in. With your Q-tips or paintbrush, dip it into one of the liquids and paint a symbol onto 2 of the marshmallows. Repeat this with each liquid on each set of marshmallows, making sure to switch out your Q-tips or clean your paintbrush when using a new liquid. Place your marshmallows on the top rack and set the oven to broil. If necessary, ask an adult to help operate the oven. Keep an eye on your marshmallows as they toast. This will take a few minutes. Once the marshmallows look toasted and have browned, you or an adult should carefully take them out of the oven using oven mitts and let them cool before you touch them. If you used a clean Q-tip or paintbrush, you can eat them when they're cool, but before you do that, take a look at your marshmallows. What do you notice? You'll see that symbols that were painted with baking soda or milk appear darker than the rest of the marshmallow, while symbols painted with vinegar or lemon juice may appear lighter, and the symbol painted in water is faint or does not show up at all. Why did this happen? Firstly, the browning of the marshmallows was a result of what is known as the Maillard reaction. This is actually a series of chemical reactions that occur following the reaction between sugars and the amino acids of proteins in our food. This reaction creates many new molecules, including the flavor and aroma compounds that give it that toasted flavor and smell, as well as molecules that contribute to the brown color. This reaction is sped up at higher temperatures, which is why baking or searing foods can quickly result in browning. Acidic and basic solutions affect the rate of the reaction as well. Acidic solutions like lemon juice or vinegar slow down the reaction, which is why those symbols painted may appear lighter. Water is neutral, which is why we don't see much of a difference. Basic solutions like milk or baking soda increase the rate of the reaction, which is why we see that symbols painted in those liquids browned much faster than the rest of the marshmallows. Basic solutions can be used in making foods like roasted potatoes and brushed onto lye bread to speed up the Maillard reaction and make an extra crispy and delicious exterior. Other examples of the Maillard reaction in action are seared steaks, French fries, baked goods, and roasted coffee. In summary, we learned that 1. The Maillard reaction is a series of reactions that take place between the proteins and the sugars of a food. 2. The products of the Maillard reaction are many flavor, smell, and coloring compounds that enhance the food we eat. And 3. Acidic conditions slow down the Maillard reaction while basic conditions speed it up. Thanks for watching. Try this experiment out at home and make sure to tag Pueblo Science with your results. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok for more fun science content. Lastly, comment down below what you would like us to cover next.